So the jury's out on whether cloth masks are enough to offer sufficient protection. But one thing is very clear that wearing a mask is much better than not wearing anything at all.
If you choose to wear a homemade mask, there are a couple of things doctors say you should consider.
People have used all sorts of material, but there is always this balance between, yes, of course, it has to be tightly woven cotton. The standard has been always couple of layers if possible.
The N95 mask has a 95% or higher filtration capacity, but a homemade mask cannot reach that level. UT Textiles and Apparel student Jeannelle Romero has been making masks for her family and friends.
My friend had texted me and she was like, I will literally pay you to make me some masks. And I was like, no. I was like, you don't have to pay me. I'll just make them.
Romero says cotton is the best fabric you can use.
You can actually sterilize it and clean it afterwards. It's more reusable than if you were to use synthetics.
Romero hosted an Instagram Live demonstrating how to DIY your own protective mask.
I just prepared each piece, and then so people could see step by step what you have to do.
Ashley Osborne, reporting Texas TV.